how-to, we're going to show you how you can connect your YouLi account to your Square account so that you can collect credit card payments on your YouLi travel pages through your already existing Square account. So from your dashboard, you click on the upper right-hand corner and choose Account. From here, you'll click the Payments tab, and you should see a Connect with Square button. If it says Connect with Stripe, you can open a support ticket by scrolling to the bottom and clicking Support. And then we can switch you to connecting with Square instead of Stripe. They're both viable gateways, but Stripe is our preferred option. But assuming you already have a Square account, then you can click this button, and then you can just double check that this matches your expectations in terms of the additional YouLi transaction fees based on your subscription and gateway fees as well. And these are the fees that are charged by Square that we have no control over. If the transaction fee is higher than you expect, then please get in touch with us and we can offer alternative subscription packages that can drop this all the way to zero. Once you're happy, you can connect with Square and it will take you to a page confirming that you want to allow YouLi the permission to connect to your Square account. Now remember that this just gives us as a platform permission to charge your clients using your Square account. We will not have access to your Square account directly, and we will not be able to see your bank accounts either. So you just click Allow here. And assuming everything goes smoothly, you'll see a confirmation here. Now, if you do encounter an error, you can always open a support ticket and let us know. It may be possibly because your profile has the wrong country set. So you can come in and make sure you have the right country set so that we are matching the proper currency between your YouLi account and your Square account. But assuming everything's gone well, you'll see this connection here in your Payments tab. You can always remove it if you need to, and you can always jump to your Square dashboard from that convenient link. Now, you'll want to actually make one of your trips use your Square account. So in order to charge on a trip using credit cards, you'll want to come to the Cost tab and make sure that you have a final cost set per person. And this currency needs to match the currency of your Square account. Otherwise, you'll pay foreign transaction fees. And you need to make sure that this box is ticked next to Collect Payments via Credit Card, and it should show that your Square is connected here. And clicking this will take you back to your Payments tab in your account section. Clicking here will take you to your Square dashboard. And once you have that enabled on your trip, anyone who is going will be able to see that they owe money on your trip. And they will be able to choose the credit card option. If you've provided multiple methods, they'll be prompted to pick one, and then they'll click Pay Now, enter their credit card information, and click Pay. To see what that'll look like when an actual transaction has gone through, we can see that Salvador has already paid. And so it's showing that his payment was made on the 12th of January 2018 and that he owes nothing. You can also see in your Manage Payments section that Antonio has yet to pay and Salvador has paid. You can see that Salvador paid the full installment on the 12th and Antonio still has no payments. And of course, you can always record a manual payment against any of your guests, even if you are collecting online transactions using credit cards via Stripe or Square. And that concludes our how-to for today. If you have any questions, you can always use the support link at the bottom to open a ticket.